Alright guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you in the easy step by step how to schedule your page on your website. So you want to schedule the pages on your website so that you can prioritize the publishing, your publishing. So you want your post to go live tomorrow or next week, next month, next year, and so on and so forth. So here is how you can do that on your WordPress website. So let's say I want to schedule a page on this website here. So you want to go to, if you want to create a new page, you can go here, or you want to create a new post, you can go here and create your post. Or you may want to go from the dashboard area here, go to pages, and you go to new, add new page. So you can add new page from there. Or you may want to, if you want to add post, you can click post, you can move over to the post area here, and you go to add new new here. So you can be able to add new posts to your website. Or maybe you already have the page already. You've already created the pages on your website, so it's on your draft. If the page or post is already on your draft, so you just click all pages, then you can find your post or pages right on your draft. So here is a new page that I want to schedule right there. So you've written your page and you've add image, you've add video, you've add Hive, you've add future image, you've added your tag, you've added the categories, and you are ready to go. You see all your website, your page, and you are ready to go. So now you want to schedule your page. So here is where you're gonna do that. Here, right at the top, on this box here, down here, here is where you're gonna schedule your page. So if you want to publish it immediately, you can just click publish right there at the bottom. It's very easy. If you want to trash the page, you can just click move to trash. So this will trash the page here. So, and another one again, if you don't see this column here, this box here on your website at the top of your website, that means you are using the second column. So you want to scroll up here and click this button here. So it's showing up now. So if you click this button here, let's say I'm using the first column, then one column. So that means nothing is going to show up here. So you want to go up here, click here, and use the second column there. So all these items is going to show up at the right bar of your WordPress website, so you can manage your post or pages on your website. So now let's go ahead and schedule our page here. So you want to go to edit. When you click edit, this thing is going to come out here. So you want to schedule your post. Let's say I want this post right there to publish itself automatically on by this time next year. So by this time next year, you want to go to 2024 then. So by this time on January 2000 next year 2024, this post is gonna immediately post itself there at this time. So when you finish, you are gonna click OK and you click schedule. So here you can schedule your page to anytime you like. So let's say tomorrow at this time. You can just say 2019 at this time, or you can change it. Here is where you can change the month here, right there. You just choose the month that you like. Here you can choose the day. So today is 27. You can choose the year here. You can change the year here. Here is where you can change the year. So you can just say 2024, 2023 here, right there, and you are ready to go. Here is where you can change the time right there, 14:04 at this time, and you can just click on the time and change the time if you like. So when you finish, hit OK. So I'm going to publish this post tomorrow. I'm going to schedule it for tomorrow at this time. So you click OK, and when you finish, you click schedule. So now that our post has been scheduled, you are not going to see it show up on your website, okay? Because it's going to be published tomorrow. So by this time tomorrow, you come to your website and you see your page right there on your website. Automatically, it's going to automatically post itself. So that's how you schedule your page, how you schedule page on your website. All right, guys, we've come to the conclusion of this training here. If you have anything to say about this video, let me know down below. If you have any question, let me know, drop them down below. Tell me what you don't like and what you like about this video here. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.